Ready to unlock more spending power with your Halifax credit card? Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to request a credit limit increase, boosting your financial flexibility. First, let's check if you're even eligible. Halifax typically looks for customers who have held their card for at least 6 months, have a good repayment history, and haven't recently applied for other credit. There are a few ways to apply. The easiest is usually online. Log into your Halifax online banking account. Navigate to the credit card services section, or something similar like Manage My Card. Look for an option like Request Credit Limit Increase. You'll likely be presented with a form asking for your desired credit limit and your current income. Be realistic with your request and ensure your income information is accurate. Overstating your income is a big no-no. Alternatively, you can also use the Halifax mobile banking app. The process is very similar to the online banking method. Find the credit card management section and look for the credit limit increase option. Finally, you can call Halifax directly. The number is usually on the back of your card or on their website. Be prepared to answer some security questions and explain why you need the increase. Now, for some tips to boost your chances of approval. Always pay your bills on time. Try to reduce your overall debt. And as we said before, provide accurate income details. A good credit score will also help. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to potentially increasing your Halifax credit card limit. Good luck and happy spending, responsibly, of course.